Alright, we're going to try and swap out the switch in this lamp for a dimmer. This one right here. This is just a standard switch, only one setting. This is a 2-setting dimmer. Okay, we are in. Okay, well, long story short, this was glued on to the switch. So we had to break this switch in the process of getting this off. Wish I could have reused this, but unfortunately, it now has a part of the switch stuck inside of it. Now I just gotta wire these up. Normally I don't do tape, but since these are stranded wires, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Alright, well I'll put that together. Just gotta put on the knob. And now we have 2 settings. Very nice. And this is all the waste that was created. Really wish I would have been able to reuse this knob since it looks a lot better than that other one, but unfortunately, that's just not possible. And in case you're curious, it draws 50 watts on high and 30 watts on low.